Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thymmai Old Beat House Shillong.
Ka kinhon tem badang syuseng dangshen hakani ka Jelaming Halia, ya ka balatip kum ka Hamartia, kala penbana shikiriu e Jingrwai jong kani ka Jela, bahkan Pyllait Paidbah ya ka wai ka Jingrwai pareng, ya ka bala ai kerteng riding shotgun, ka badairu ka Jingrwai, bahkan ka kinhon hi kalashna hapadeng ki Jing'e ki babon. Ki langut ki dikot jong kani ka kinhon ki bakentop ya o redeem, ubalong unong tem drum, Usani Bosco ubadai unong tem gitar, bat Martin ubadai unong ruai jong kani ka kinhon. Haka jingya keren bat ka Batisi TV keliyat ho, bayakani ka Jingrwai kin sa Pyllait Paidbah, haka arpu hunyaw tarik unay liber arajar arpuway, ling baka online streaming platform, haka por kanday baji menme. Bat kumjuro haka jingya lang ka bakerpang, kaban salong hasola cafe, kabadon haka sinong mapat. Bantip kampanya susu sapang kani ka kinhon, Tomentangin ya sngam, ayu baki niki langut ki dikot jong kani ka kinhon, kidon ban ong.
Kublai shibo ni pibaro ni naga kinhon Hamartia, ni ai kublai fi yang sabhai fi shaga Batisi TV, mga day redeem, laban khot ru stand, day drummer jong ban Hamartia,
mga day Sunny Bosco, na nagtem gitar but ruairu untuk buat.
And he is.
Hello, my name is Martin and I'm the vocalist for Hamartia.
Kani ke Jingrwai nila asna nado last year actually. Nado last year tang ba ke lockdown gumto ngila yok ban record ha umi te hadin nang tang la dep record te kala sim mi kapon marba day kapor covid so ngim yok ban travel te la dep record to ngila lek pai te ngila sedang ban penkre saka video te hakata jing penkre jongi ki don pun ki ba ki ba ja perdeng jong kini ke jing penkre jongi ni Jingrwai ki don ki ba khlat ki ba yeng jongi ki perlok jongi te kini ngin siek finsio hau channel jongi ngin siek keren kam banyak sepang kini kayak bengi kedua te ke Jingrwai ke keteng riding shotgun. Let's say bon ni bru kim da sang tho ka ke jingmot dengi pat ki race am ki bon ni ki race ki auto drive basyong ha side driver am udai u bru ba yarap actually ba navigate or ba shu yarap you auto main driver hapor ba ki race ki dan da ngam bakala am khado ki da shongkali ru basyong hin side driver udai banang banyak kali da te kabamot ngi pade ka ngi shimi ka concept ng ong ba ngi don ke jong ki battles ke jing im jing dai ki jing le ki babon te the need on langbat ki brew being there for anyone por baki kendo jinga kata ka dai ngi shong right shotgun kan with that person ne kumta ta kata ka dai ka more of a general meaning jong ka riding shotgun.
Riding shotgun, as he said, it's somebody who is beside the driver and he's helping around navigate, or in any sense that the driver needs help so that he can be focused and carry on. But then in the metaphorical sense that we've written it, it's about people who are there with us, and then people, even if their presence is just there, it is enough at least, for us to carry on and look forward. And personally, that is how it has evolved, like the whole song. Since we wrote it like riding shotgun, and we just wrote it in the sense where it's just general for anyone. We wrote it for somebody who's going through war, somebody's going through some kind of problems, but then now
it became personal.
It became personal because now we have our own set of problems, especially when you're like on the field and you're trying to do something that you love and trying to make a living out of it, it's really difficult because we lack opportunities in various ways. And then now the song speaks to us in that sense, where it's like, it's more about us only. So it's really hard to define what it actually stands for, because
true.
It's really huge.
ban ong ig exact date ba year bangi form ig ban ngi mla ban ong namar ba kani kala along kum ka product jong ka relationship bangi yantan the chemistry, musical chemistry, the musical relationship, the brotherly love that we all shared. Kani ka band ka, it's just that product bangi. Okay, so we are like this, the ngila form ig band the yiga balat tempade ngila tem sha po Orange Festival ru ngila tem kumtahi ki pops ki clubs kum to sa Goa evening club ru ngila ya tem ambang ha chagoti kum kita
recently dang tem hati
Neverland Festival te kumta na marba ni all those years bang la yat ru ba we've invested our time hagi jumpule jongi ya ka music he, and then writing of course, and then creating. So we kind of need a shim break here kumta ban te kadaw long. Tanggawai hi ba ngi pada ka aim jongi as a band ba ngi klem wat re ya long the number of viewers or number of listeners. We just want to find the right people who can relate to what we are going through, who can relate to the meaning of the band, who can relate to our lifestyle and everything else. Because at the end of the day, I don't think we are here to please everyone. So we just express what we feel. And I'm pretty sure India is largest population. I'm pretty sure we will find at least 100 people who can relate to us. And if we can find that genuine people, if 10 genuine people can relate to our music, I think quality matters. That's more important. It's very difficult to categorize the kind of music that we're playing. Namar Babalai, we come from a rock and roll background. So ngila shaitem rock and roll. And if we talk about influences like ngila sngap ki Jingrwai ki ba miadai bat ka komtem jongi. And Martin, he still is a hip hop artist.
I still do hip hop also, but then I found this liking. It's like it resonates. So it's really
it's very difficult. It's very difficult.
But then it's just
to call it a fusion. Also, we don't want to. That word is something else now. We don't want to use that word fusion. But yeah, you take it however you want to. It's just our expression of what we feel. That's it.
One thing, one of the struggle, but chani lai bun ying pala dengi practice na complain untuk jinjar.
Hapsu him hi.
Hapsu make the studio belong song pro.
Sa Jawai pada te kadang stay te dang dang rock and roll hi ka lifestyle te dang biang bait chani te kham jinjar tharai bala long clear lut ka snong la he te mo kham jinjar. ban di kredit gi struggles ki bon ho ka way ngan ong by directly I think I speak on behalf of the bandmates but you fitip hi ka mindset jong ki nong India ki Indians and ba fi hap an pule ke ne fi hap an pule ke te ka struggle ka ta ka way ba ngim yo ban follow ki dreams jong ina do ka por bang sedang and ngim tip ban blame and but nong ba because ngidon ke ne ka sap ke ne ka talent ban tem tang ba ngi ka way bang shim ba ngi blame yala de ngim la ban le anything if we're not doing anything lang ba ka talent ka gift ngi done we blame ourselves but we don't blame ourselves because we have this gift the struggles ki long kumta hi ke ka way ru long financial support kata kham jinjar and especially fitib hi ka music ban record ban thet ki tiar lu ki rem and then I try ke platforms kim da bon than shani kham jinjar
getting kicked out of houses
ngila sha be yeng fitip hi has long kum no but no, because ne plok jang im dai na po nang ne dai na po Kalimpong te ban yo ban sa hang ne ka jinjar ha and recording studio ka don hang ne an ngi kwa ban bass nang ne mo uru so tanat ini jaka te nagaway ka yeng yo sa sipang to da mi sipang to la sa po kali la long kum ta these are I think ngim shim like struggles yung I mean we had fun lessons like, and memories but
out of our comfort zone and that's where
and these things kind of pushed us I think to
it's a beautiful journey whoever is trying to pursue it please do it'll be difficult but
yeah please do it's worth it don't give up it's worth it Katate I think one bat ka support jong ki briuru ka support jong ki bela yat sekmat mo si bon ngi ki artist jong ki bela yat sekmat ki briuru ki bela long katate ka support jong ki briuru mla le because us alone kum ga band tharai we can push of course we will keep on trying tang ba ka don hi limitation mo yu briu te hado ka no ngi la man persiang tamangin persiang but then with the help and support from ngi briu tharai you know kin bon gi artist ru ki kham baha ban ying ki bela ban poi se khamat ke Jingrwai ngin release ka arpunio jong ni mentau benai March hakapor khandai beje kan kin penmi habro hi ki online streaming platforms abaro hi hoi tang ba ka official release jongi tengin penlong ha Solar Cafe ta bedan ha mau pat nang te kenigla along kumba everybody's message don't give up but we've had our own share of struggles and ladangi ong if you don't give up kamut sha don't give up kumbangi la ithok mane ngila sa apo kali ngila sha be ang tonang ni but we are here if we can make it this far I'm pretty sure you can make it even farther and with your support and us also supporting everybody else like the title of this song Riding Shotgun and if we keep riding shotgun yabaro kibru I'm pretty sure Shillong won't just be known for a rock capital or whatever but then a lot of musicians will actually be out there getting Grammys getting these are dreams they are big dreams they scared the hell out of us but if that's why they're big so that's the message just don't give up keep pushing